Imagine waking up one random morning in 2026, opening your phone, and seeing one headline that instantly makes every iPhone fan freeze. Apple's biggest iPhone redesign in nearly a decade is finally happening. Not iPhone 17, not iPhone 16, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And here's the crazy part. This isn't just another camera upgrade. Faster chip, same design, type release. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is being described as the moment Apple finally starts moving toward the dream iPhone. The one with the cleanest screen ever, futuristic Face ID tech hidden under the display, and power so intense it feels like a laptop in your pocket. So today, I'm going to break down everything that's leaking right now about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. What's believable, what's insane, what might actually happen, and most importantly, why this phone could be the first iPhone in years that feels truly next-gen. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why millions of people might skip iPhone 17 completely and wait for this. Let's start with the first rumor, and it's easily the biggest one, the front design. Apple has been stuck in the same visual era since the iPhone X. First the notch, then dynamic island. And while it looks modern, it's still a cutout. It still reminds you there's hardware sitting right in the middle of your display. But for iPhone 18 Pro Max, leaks suggest Apple is finally hiding Face ID under the screen. Think about that for a second. Your Face ID sensor's completely invisible. That means the iPhone could have one of the cleanest displays Apple has ever created. And the wild part is, Apple doesn't even need to remove everything at once. Because the leaks say the iPhone 18 Pro Max might still keep a tiny punch-hole selfie camera, but the big, bulky cutout could be gone. The result? A screen that looks like the future. The kind of phone you see in sci-fi movies where the glass is just uninterrupted. And if Apple pulls this off, it's not just a visual flex. It's psychological. Because when you look at your phone 200 times a day, even a small difference in screen design changes how premium it feels. This is one of those upgrades that instantly makes your current phone feel old. Like, you'll pick up an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it'll look like a previous generation phone in a way we haven't felt for years. That's how big this change is. Now, Apple isn't doing this just for aesthetics. Under display, Face ID is hard. The reason Apple hasn't done earlier is because they're obsessed with Face ID being perfect. If it fails even slightly more than current Face ID, Apple will not ship it, which is why this rumor is so exciting. If it's really happening, it means Apple believes the tech is finally ready. And that puts iPhone 18 Pro Max in a completely new category. It's not just a new iPhone, it's Apple leveling up its identity. Now let's talk about the second big rumor, the performance. This phone might ship with the A20 Pro chip. And what makes this important is not just faster than last year. The big buzz is that Apple could move to an advanced process that makes this chip more efficient than anything before. What does that mean in real life? It means longer battery life without increasing battery size. It means less heat. It means stronger performance for heavy tasks like gaming, editing, AI features, and advanced camera processing. But here's what most people don't realize. iPhones aren't slow right now. So the only way Apple can make you feel a difference is by making the iPhone capable of things you currently don't associate with phones. And this is where the iPhone 18 Pro Max becomes scary powerful. Because leaks suggest Apple is going all in on AI iPhone era. Not just gimmicky filters. Real, deep intelligence. Smarter Siri, more advanced on-device processing, and features that run instantly without sending everything to the cloud. Think about being able to search your entire phone like it's a human assistant. Show me the photo where I was wearing a black hoodie at the beach, and it pulls it up instantly. Or summarize my last 10 conversations with this person. Or turn these voice notes into a perfectly formatted email. Features like that require power. And Apple wants to keep privacy as the selling point. So they need insane on-device performance. Now let's get to the part everyone cares about, the cameras. Because let's be real, the Pro Max phones are basically camera systems that can make calls. And iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks suggest Apple might upgrade the periscope zoom system and push even further into computational photography. But here's the bigger idea. Apple isn't just competing with Samsung or Google on hardware. They're competing on the final result, what comes out of the camera. And Apple has a strategy. Make the iPhone the easiest phone in the world to shoot cinematic content on. So imagine the iPhone 18 Pro Max with even stronger stabilization, smarter low light, higher detail zoom shots, and video that looks like a mini Netflix production. Apple knows millions of creators are using iPhones now. TikTokers, YouTubers, vloggers, business owners, real estate agents, even filmmakers. This phone could be designed to dominate content creation for the next generation. And this is why Apple might push bigger sensor upgrades, better zoom, and smarter video features. Because the iPhone 18 Pro Max doesn't have to beat a DSLR. It just has to beat the effort. It has to be the best camera that's always with you. Now let's talk about something most people ignore, but it matters massively: the display itself. Rumors suggest iPhone 18 models could standardize premium LTPO displays, meaning smoother scrolling, better power efficiency, and more consistent high refresh rate experiences. If Apple improves brightness, color accuracy, and power draw again, the iPhone 18 Pro Max display could become the best phone screen on the planet. Not one of the best, the best. And Apple loves winning the display game because it's something every customer feels instantly. But here's the twist: if the front cutout gets smaller or disappears, the display upgrade isn't just specs. It feels like you're holding a piece of glass from the future. That's why people are calling this one of the biggest iPhone design changes in years. Not because Apple is changing the back, not because they're changing the frame, but because they're cleaning up the one area you stare at all day long.